Hi guys, welcome back to Cook. Today I am teaching you another very interesting recipe of Ramadan called the Gurda Kapoora. So let's start. Take 60 to 70 grams of ghee, 1.5 cup of chopped onions, saute it in ghee into a nice brown color. Add in 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 1 teaspoon chilli paste. Saute it well. Add in the Gurda Kapoora pieces and saute it for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Now add in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon chopped mint leaves, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves, and let it cook again for another 5 to 7 minutes. Now add in your 2 chopped tomatoes. And let it cook for another 10 minutes. Now the Gurda Kapoora is cooked and you can serve it along with naan, kulcha, pav, whatever you like. The Gurda Kapoora recipe is really yummy and tasty.